Right, so the Prusa i3 kit came through. This is from Replikeo, or Replikeo. Yeah, so I got this kit based on the success that Tech2C had with his, and well, I've been meaning to get one of these anyway, and he seems to have some fantastic prints from his. So this is a good kit to modify and tinker with until you get some really good results out of. So I thought I'd get myself one. So it came through the post a couple of days ago. Not really actually beaten up at all. But anyway, I've unpacked everything. Here's it laid out, and just gone over everything. Everything seems to be here. And good news to see is that the Arduino Mega seems to be pretty genuine. Like, I'm happy with that. That looks good with the ramps board as well. It looks fine. Nothing's damaged. Should work absolutely fine. Power supply is rather sketch. I hope to replace that with something like a Corsair RX, CX 700 or something like that. Something with a bit more stability to, or well, perceived stability. The good additions, well, the upgrades they've made compared to a few years ago, is that this bag here of all the fittings and such, these are now injection molded, and the injection molded parts seem much better in terms of well, chances of flexing, chances of breaking, and tolerances must be much better as well. So that's good to see. There is still one 3D printed part, and that's the extruder assembly body. Had a few problems with this when checking out everything. I was just going together and seeing how things fit. So, for instance, the what seems to be an E3D copy, they've replaced the old J head. Anyway, with this one, didn't go in there to begin with, so it required a lot of sanding. It's still not great, but yeah, a lot of these bits required a bit of work with the sanding pad and the file. But other than that, everything seems to be in order. So gonna get on assembling it, seeing how well I can do. Also, another big thing about this one was the hobbed bolt. So the bit which actually goes onto the extruder assembly and feeds the filament through, I've noticed is significantly longer than other i3 kits. In fact, the instructions on their site, on their wiki, show how to assemble this extruder. So I was playing around with that, and with the bearings in place, this actually has a significant amount of overhang, so I can't put the bolt on. But what I've gone and done there is custom made this spacer, which is basically 2 washers and a bit of copper tube, to ensure that it actually can be bolted on. But yeah, so next part is to start assembling the base frame.